Contact Tower, clear
Yay!
4 north.
Taxi Tango Echo Yankee, November 485 Echo Alpha.
We're on a, I don't know, 13-mile right base run.
On, EFIS on. Nav lights off, strobe lights on, landing light on, instrument light on. Wait for everything to boot up, then we'll turn on a fuel pump.
Contact Tower, clear 493, we traffic inside.
Clear 493, roger, you touching go, full stop taxi back.
Full stop taxi back, clear 493.
Clear 493, roger, runway 25, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land number 2, clear 493. Tower 462 Papa Tango, about 10 miles from the Southwest Hotel, full stop.
Oil pressure.
462 Papa Tango, roger, proceed for the left base, runway 25.
Proceed for left base, 25, 462 Papa Tango.
This is Cessna 250, taxi Foxtrot Yankee Echo Tango to the ramp, have a good day.
Foxtrot Yankee Echo Tango, the ramp, thank you.
Voltage. Caution. Message.
Gwinnett Tower, November 485 Echo Alpha, holding short at the EAA ramp with information Golf. Student solo, requesting pattern word full stops.
5 Echo Alpha, just stand by 1, I got inbound traffic. I'll have you moving here in just a minute.
Standing by, November 485 Echo Alpha.
Number 485 Echo Alpha, you said you're at the EAA?
Correct, at the EAA ramp.
485 Echo Alpha, runway 25, taxi Tango, turn right on Juliet, turn left on taxiway Zulu, taxi Zulu Delta Yankee, runway 25.
Could you repeat that, please? Number 485 Echo Alpha.
Give me a second, that may be too much there, hold on. Alright, 485 Echo Alpha, runway 25, taxi via Tango Echo Yankey, altimeter 3005.
Taxi Tango Echo Yankee, November 485 Echo Alpha. Gwinnett Tower, November 485, Echo Alpha, holding short, runway 25, Yankee, student solo.
Number 45 Echo Alpha, roger, follow the traffic on the go ahead of you, runway 25, clear for takeoff, left pattern.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25.
Jet 493, runway 25, clear to land.
Runway 25, clear to land, clear track 493.
Hey, I was just gonna try to, there was a constant keying of the mic. I was trying to figure out how to fix it, but I figured it out. Hello, can you hear me? And another thing, it's not important, I figured it out.
25, clear to land number 2. Number 5 Echo Alpha, follow your traffic, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land number 2, November 485 Echo Alpha.
Echo to Tower, TBM 900 Romeo Juliet. TBM 900 Romeo Juliet, over there. We're back in with you. We're on a, I don't know, 13-mile right base runway 25. TBM 900 Romeo Juliet, roger, continue straight for runway 25. Right in for 25 Romeo Juliet. Clear track 493, taxi runway 25, you whiskey, man, my Ferguson.
25 whiskey, stay with you, clear track 493.
Gwinnett Tower, clear track 221 is 10 miles to the northeast with information. Hotel would like to be inbound for touch and goes available.
Air 45 Echo Alpha, left turn ahead, taxi runway 25 via Whiskey, remain by frequency.
Left turn onto Echo to Risky, runway 25.
Air 221, Gwinnett Tower, 4 miles northeast of the field for runway 25.
4 miles northeast of the field for runway 25, clear track 221.
by the river. Oh, I was born by the river.
Cruise 493, runway 25, clear for takeoff, left traffic.
25, clear takeoff, clear track 493, left traffic.
TBM 900, runway Juliet, runway 25, clear to land, departing 2 ahead of you. Clear to land, runway 25, 900 Romeo Juliet. Air 45 Echo Alpha, follow traffic ahead, runway 25, clear for takeoff, left traffic.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25.
Check 221, look for traffic off your left side over there on a 4.5 mile final.
Roger, looking for that traffic, crew track 221. And crew track 221 has traffic in sight.
Clear check 221, roger, runway 25, clear touching go number 2, left traffic.
Clear touching go number 2, left traffic, crew track 221.
That's the bird. I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire.
Clear check 493, number 3 for the runway, follow traffic 2 mile final, runway 25, clear to land number 3.
Number 325, clear to land, crew track 493.
TBM 900 Romeo Juliet, left to Charlie, taxi the ramp, monitor ground, okay. Charlie to the ramp, monitor ground, 900 R ticketing. Number 5 Echo Alpha, follow your traffic ahead, and your number 3 for the runway right now, clear to land number 3.
Number 3, clear to land, Nova 485 Echo Alpha. Don't look at me. Oh no!
49 Tower, crew track 1080, 10 northeast with hotel inbound. Looking for a low approach, then just one lap in the pattern.
Crew check 1080, West Tower, 44 mile final, runway 25.
44 mile final for 25, crew track 1080.
Crew check 1080, you understand you're on the final this time?
Yes, sir.
Roger.
Two more times, let's do it.
Clear check 493, left turn ahead, taxi to runway 25, Rio Whiskey, remain right for C.
Tower, good day, Bonanza 17692 7 East Holmes South Hotel.
Bonanza 17692, roger, keep that speed up, report turning final, runway 25.
Alright, we'll call you turn final, keep it up, 692. Tower, crew track 221, can we get our short approach?
Clear Jet 221, traffic's crossing number, short approach approved, runway 25, clear touch and go, left traffic.
Be a full stop for crew track 221 as well.
Clear Jet 221, roger, runway 25, clear to land.
Clear to land, short approach approved, runway 25, crew track 221.
Echo Whiskey 225, crew track 493.
Greaser!
That's 17692, traffic still on short approach ahead, runway 25, clear to land number 2.
Number 225, clear to land, 696.
5 Echo Alpha, left turn Echo, taxi to runway 25 via Whiskey, remain on frequency.
Left turn, Echo, number 45, Echo Alpha.
Clear check 1080, you're following Bonanza traffic, about 3 miles to your left front, runway 25, cleared low approach number 3, left traffic.
25, cleared low approach number 3, and we'll make left traffic, crew track 1080.
Gwinnett Tower, am I allowed to go on a whiskey?
Who said that?
Sorry about that, I didn't catch that.
Who said that?
Crew track. Number 45 Echo Alpha said that.
Okay, number 485 Echo Alpha, runway 25, taxi via Whiskey.
Thank you, number 45 Echo Alpha.
Jet 221, turn left, taxi to the ramp via Whiskey, monitor ground, have a good day.
Left Echo Whiskey, monitor ground, good day, crew track 221.
Gwinnett Tower, clear track 493, holding short on runway 25 on Whiskey, ready for takeoff.
Clear jet 493, roger.
Point jet.
Yeah, the wind is 25012. What's your marking?
Number 7.
692, Delta if you can, taxi to the ramp, monitor ground, have a good day.
Alright, Delta monitor ground 692, thanks.
Clear check 493, left traffic, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Runway 25 cleared for takeoff, clear track 493, turn left traffic.
Clear check 290, just cleared low approach, follow Archer departing ahead of you on the left pattern.
Alright, cleared low approach, and we'll follow them, clear track 1080. Gwinnett Tower, Nova 485 Echo Alpha, holding short runway 25 via Whiskey, and this will be a final lap taxi back to the EAA ramp.
Center 5 Echo Alpha, roger, hold short 25.
Holding short runway 25, Nova 485 Echo Alpha.
485 Echo Alpha, Seminole midfield, follow that traffic, runway 25, clear for takeoff, left pattern.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25, Nova 485 Echo Alpha.
Tower, Piper 43654, 10 miles to the northeast, looking for a full stop with Information Hotel.
43654, roger, continue inbound.
Continue inbound, 654.
Clear jet 493, runway 25, clear to land.
Runway 25 clear to land, clear track 493.
Crew check 1080, follow the traffic ahead of you, getting ready to turn to base, and runway 25, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land number 2, crew check 1080.
Number 5 Echo Alpha, follow your Seminole traffic, runway 25, clear to land number 3.
Clear to land number 3, November 485 Echo Alpha.
Number 43654, number 4 for the runway, report a 4 mile final, runway 25.
Number 4, full mile final, runway 25. That's 654.
Tower, clear track 220, 10 northwest with hotel, requesting pattern work.
Clear track 220, going at 10, roger, continue inbound, report 4 north of the field.
Continue inbound, report 4 north of the field, clear track 220.
Clear track 493, left turn, taxi runway 25, via Whiskey, remain by frequency.
Delta Whiskey, stay with you, clear track 496. This is a bad approach.
Canadian, left turn, either one, taxi ramp, Mardi Ground, have a good day.
Echo Whiskey's a ramp on the ground, you have a good day, sir, clear track 1080.
Gwinnett Tower, Piper 43654, full mile final.
And 43654, Gwinnett Tower, roger, traffic follow, short final, runway 25, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land number 2, 654.
Traffic.
Echo Alpha, turn right at Delta, taxi Tango the ramp, Mardi Ground, have a good day.
Thank you, taxi Delta Tango to the ramp. Number 45 Echo Alpha.
Clear check 493, traffic just over mile final, runway 25, clear take off, left traffic.
25, please. Take off, clear track 493.
Gwinnett Tower, clear track 220, 4 north.
Go to lookupflightacademy.com. Come in for a tour, get your intro flight, and let's get you your pilot's license.